Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this wrap rhinestone rope bracelet. Begin by cutting the rope at your preferred length. Take a couple crystals off of the edge of the rope. This is going to help fit the rope inside of the cap. It should look something like this. I'm just going to check, make sure that the cap fits on well. In this case, I'm using E7000. Apply glue at the tip of the rope and insert the rope into the cap. And then go ahead and repeat that by applying some glue on the opposite side of the rope as well. Insert the cap. Wipe off any residue of the glue, and I like to go in a downward motion, so I'm not pulling the glue up onto the cap, rather down so it's not visible. Once you've waited a good amount of time for the end caps to dry, open up the jump ring, attach your clasp onto the ring, and then attach the clasp onto one side of the cap. Close the jump ring, hear that click, pass it, and then come back to where they meet. On the opposite side, I'm gonna add a little chain at the end. Instead of cutting through the actual chain link, which is also possible, but it's a lot easier on your wrist if you just put the tip of the cutter into the open link of the chain right here. Press down. It's going to expand the chain link wide and open instead of cutting through the link. Next, using your set of pliers, attach the chain onto the other side of the end cap. Close it up, pass the ring, and come back to where they meet. You can essentially stop here if you'd like, but I'm gonna go an extra step and attach a little charm at the end as well. This specific charm already comes with a jump ring attached to it, so you can just use that jump ring, open it up, and attach it to the last link on the chain. Close it up. You can also double it up and wear it as a necklace as well. This is what the bracelet looks like once it's all done. There's a little charm hanging from it. I do want to preface this by saying that E7000 is just what I had on hand. So if you know any glue that you think would work better for something like this, please comment down below and help everybody out. This rope is available in different colors. I'll be sure to link all the products down below for you to be able to shop. Hit that subscribe button and give us a like if you enjoyed this video.